Hello guys, so I will be recording this tutorial for Python and I will be covering from basics to advanced. I will be covering by operators in Python, basic operators, functions, classes and many more topics in Python. So what I will be doing, I will be creating basically short videos for 5 minutes and it will be a playlist so that you can refer to the concerned topic on YouTube itself. So I will be showing you a demo and from where you can download like the Python interpreter and start coding in Python. So basically I just want to give an intro about Python, like why Python is very important in today's world. Basically Python is a language which is being used like in every sector, like in data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence. We are using Python as a primary language, and Python is basically preferred due to the reason the like coding coding is very like easy, like we don't have to write many keywords which we use in many languages are skipped, and the code which we write is just like a simple English words. So it's very easy to learn and implement whatever you want to write and whatever you want to do. So this is why Python is preferred to nowadays. And like if you want to create programs which like require your visual interaction, your visual interaction and some kind of AI, artificial intelligence, Python is only preferred for for all of such tasks like data analysis, data interpretation, because Python can process large amount of data easily. Instead, if we try to do this with any other language, it will not be able to do, and it will give us there will be a ton of issues if we try to use any other language.